Our next speaker, Smita Mohith, is a senior UX architect at Harbinger Group. Today, Smita joins us to discuss the UX of AI-driven products. Learn how to avoid developing the wrong product by continuously discovering tweaks with AI. Please welcome Smita to the stage.
Hi everyone, my name is Smita, and today I'm here to talk about UX for AI-driven products. Let us start. In today's session, I would like to talk a little bit about AI and how it has impact on discovery and define stage of UX processes, AI as a technology, and how the human intervention is required for AI-driven products. So let us begin. My very first question to everyone is, are we really ready to craft a UX of AI-driven products? Answer is yes, because most of the things will remain same. Our approach and everything will remain same when we talk about AI-driven products. The only 20%, I will say there should be some tweaks which we should make while working on AI-driven products, and those are the tweak and tips which I will be sharing in today's session. To begin, I would like to share the five major categories of AI products, which is like interactive, text, analytical, functional, and visual. In today's session, I will majorly focus on these two because my experience lies in this area. And the examples and everything which I am talking today are based on these two areas of the product, which is interactive AI and text AI. Now, everyone knows, at least for those two type of category, AI works in the background, in invisibly. It has no a very negligible impact on UI, but when we talk about experience, it has a huge impact. So, if it has a huge impact, we need to look at the process. What I have identified till now with my experience is there is a major consideration of AI thing in these two stages, discovery and define. And there is a part which is in the validation. Okay, let me get more clarity. Let me give you more clarity on that. Usually in discovery stage, we pay attention to user needs and we try to capture those along with the business objectives. But while working on AI products, there is third major impact or major element which we need to consider is AI technology. Now, why we need to consider AI technology? So it is really evolving and it is evolving fast. 4 years back, I have presented something in the conference which is chatbot building it for humans. I have given tips and tricks in that area, mostly like process and different element which we have to consider. And now when I look back and I check that, it is completely different because when I concentrated 4 years back on chatbot, the complete thing was evolving around AI doesn't understand context. But now, in today's world, with ChatGPT and generative AI understand context. So this is why I say it is evolving and it is evolving fast. So we need to consider the technology which is selected in the product, how that technology is working. So this is a part which we need to consider as a UXer in delivery, define and discover stage. Now, another important factor which we need to consider is when we use or we as an like product team uses AI models in the product, the output of quality is directly proportionate to the input quality. This and if the input is impure or with error, then definitely it will have a huge impact on the output. For example, we have our own product which helps translating a complete course into different language. When we talk about course, it has different element. content which is present on the screen, voiceover, and videos. So, if somebody wants to change or translate complete course into the language, there are multiple AI models which plays in the background. Okay, and of course, the output of a one AI model goes to another AI model, and we don't have control on the quality. So, this product of ours is able to reduce the 10-hour works to 10 minutes work. It has a huge, I will say, efficiency booster. But if we don't control or if we don't intervene in between, then we are not sure about the quality. Okay. So we need to curate the content in few stages internally so that the output will be the what you can say the 100% good quality output. So to achieve that, we will need human intervention. And as a UXer, we need to find out where that human intervention is needed. Okay. So another example of where this intervention is needed is we have another product which is used by medical professionals to create a medical note summary. Okay. Again, this is almost the product can make uh, a task 5 times faster, or it can perform the task 5 times faster than the human. But this is the medical area. We need to make sure that output is close to the 100% in terms of quality, or at least 95% of the quality. So we have introduced two places where a person who is actually taking notes or interacting with the patient should check the points, and if required they can edit it. Okay, this intervention of 5 minutes is making sure that the output is almost 95% and more than that accurate. Okay, so now when I say AI driven products need identification of human intervention, but you might have a question of how we can identify that. And here is the answer. We should have subject matter expert in very early stage, and we can validate the output of AI with them to identify that what are the places where if we include the human intervention to edit, and how it will have a huge impact on the output. So if we say spend 5 minutes on the interface and get the output which is almost 95 plus percent accurate, then it will be definitely a better deal. So yeah, so these are the points which are important for us to consider when we are working on AI driven products. And these are the couple of takeaways. AI is evolving. Consider this in discovery and define stage. AI can make product faster, almost 5 to 10% faster, but pay attention to quality. To pay attention to quality, we need human intervention or interaction. And there we need to find it out. What are the places which will have minimum interaction but huge impact? And to get those places, we will need subject matter expert validation. So that's it from my side. Thank you very much.